Okay, hi there. Today I wanted to share with you about this topic, which is I think is quite interesting in the sense it's called mindset of launching your website. Now, why I say this mindset thing because um, you see most people that you start building your website, the problem is that you are you're not finishing it. The project is not finished, and yeah, I heard horror stories of developers running away, not contactable, and stuff like that. Okay, just preparing you ahead of time. If you want to do your website, okay, you can prepare it your mindset in two ways. The first set expectation is whether you are going to be doing for, I mean, you're going to get someone to do it for you. Both require a different mindset. Of course, if you are doing it yourself, you have to have a learning mindset as well together, because if you're non-technical savvy, you probably have issues to learn it, and or technical issues and stuff like that. All right, so that's where I guess you are here to research further how to set up your website and stuff like that. Now, yeah, you can find more information about it on how to set up your website further with us as well. And again, you can keep asking us any questions you want, and we'll try to share more information with you. That is the first mindset. But of course, at the same time, there is no perfect website. Always remember that, be it when you're doing it yourself or you are getting someone to do for you, it's a never-ending process for this. You must remember that. All right. So if you're doing it yourself, okay, look for research a little bit. If you're not sure where to start, research a little bit. Go out there. Even if if you got someone to do, you always start with researching. You see what actually is out there and try to blend in what you can. But manage your expectation. Always remember there is no perfect website. I emphasize this again. You have to get your message out there and get your user feedback first, because they are your customer. You're not doing it for yourself unless you plan to only show this website to you and only you only. Then yes, that's fine, you can do that. But if you are going to be showing to other people, then hey, they are your customer, man. You should be getting feedback from them. But you cannot hold your developers or yourself at fault because you didn't meet the user's feedback, because you don't know, you need to show something. Most of the time, people don't know what they want, or they don't know what is good, what is bad, until they really see the thing. So that's why the first step, always remember, it's a draft. Your website is a draft. Launch it first. Get it out to the open. Get it out to people. Even if you hire a developer, don't give them such a terrible time. I can tell you that as a developer. If you have no experience handling client for a young developer, we will run away. We don't know how to handle you. That's the truth. But from experience, I've learned how to manage them, and I know certain things can be flexible, certain things can be done, certain things cannot be done. And people forget things as well along the way. When you tell the developer this, you want that, this. Yeah, we could do it, but at the same time, you understand that sometimes it takes time, and not everything is just done with a snap of a finger. There's a lot of technical things to be done, to be built, to program, and stuff like that. So remember what you are paying for. It's what you get. If you pay peanuts, you get monkeys. But if you pay a lot, yes, you could possibly get what you want. But again, till the day you have not tested out the market, you will not be able to know whether it works. So that's where the thing of coming out to manage your expectation properly. Start simple and launch your website out. The main thing is just get it out there. Don't hold your developer ransom as well, in the sense that what they've agreed to you is done. Then after that, test the market out and then go back again to them. Be brave to venture into that. Whatever you have invested in it, your time or whether your money for the developer or for yourself to build it, it's the experience. Don't forget that. The experience that is the most important thing. And from that, you'll be able to build a better website or better startup site for you to fit into your customers. Remember, the customers is always right, and in this case your website as well. So fit into what they need and get the things that is needed, not imagining to the most perfect system that you have in your head. Yes, we all want the best of the best, but till you have tried out the market, only you will be able to know the results of your users. So that's it for that. The mindset, in summary: manage your own expectations and remember who is the target person that you are going to be getting them to view. If it's for you only that you think that is the best, then you're just having the wrong mindset. You must remember it is for your customers that you are building it for when they come to your website. What do they want, how they manage, and stuff like that. And you will never be able to get the perfect website. You always get a prototype, always ongoing, because it's an ongoing improvement. There is no such thing as a perfect system. Always remember that. You can try to your best to get as many people as you can for that to achieve your target, but without launching your website, nobody will know. If you don't share your link outside, nobody will know. You will never be able to improve. Get as much feedback as you can the moment you launch it, and then keep improving from there. That's the main thing on launching your website successfully. Doesn't matter if you don't like it. If you don't like it personally, take yourself out of the equation. Ask your friends, okay? But sometimes if you already confirm everything with the developers and you suddenly ask too many opinions as well, that might spoil the website. There's a saying that says, too many cooks spoils the dish. So test it out, get it out in the market, see how they feedback and how they like it, and then after that, start improving it all along the way. If you don't know how, ask for help. And if you're doing it yourself, but if you get someone, a developer, you need to learn how to manage your developers as well. So that's the part you need to learn, to communicate together with them. At the end of the day, it's communication and the expectation of getting it launched. So wishing you all the best to launch your website. Don't give up. Even if you have launched and failed a few times, the main thing is you keep on going. The website is never going to run away. And let me know. Share your website and see how we can feedback from you on that. All the best and logging off. Seeing you soon with your new website. Cheers.